Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction to LaTeX. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly get started with LaTeX so that you can begin producing beautiful documents all on your own. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the course webpage, click on the Resources tab, and download these 4 LaTeX files. I'll explain what these files do throughout this video. The next thing you're going to do is go to www.sharelatex.com, make an account. I already have one made, so I'm just going to click on Register, which is really log in. Let's make a new project. So every LaTeX project will have one or more LaTeX files. Here's a LaTeX file on the left. It looks kind of plain right now, even though it seems to have some information about the file, like the title, the author, and somehow a section. But obviously this doesn't look very good. The key to LaTeX is that it takes a boring old text file like this and compiles it into a beautiful PDF document. So that's what this green button does over here. Okay, here we go. This is a PDF generated from the LaTeX file. It doesn't look particularly interesting right now, so let's add some text. And maybe some math too. Clicking on Recompile easily allows us to check our work. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of the big LaTeX commands here. You'll have opportunities all on your own to figure out these sorts of things. Instead, I'm going to point you to the resources that I created for you to learn LaTeX. So let's click on this New button to add a file, upload files, and from the files that you downloaded from the course webpage, let's upload sample LaTeX and utcsc.sty. What's the point of these files? Well, sample LaTeX, here's where I explain some commands and details. This document by itself is a little hard to read, so I need to compile it. Oops, it didn't compile. It stayed with main.tex. So to change that, I'm going to go to Settings and change the root document to sample LaTeX. And now if I recompile, I should get a nice PDF. Well, look at that. I can read this, and it explains some basic LaTeX features, pretty much everything you'll need to write assignments. What I really need to do is read the PDF and the text side by side, so that whenever I see something in the PDF that I think looks cool, like this, for example, well, I can go and try to find it in the text to see what caused that to happen. You might wonder what this file is for, utcsc. It's a package file. In it, I've defined my own commands that I find a bit easier to use or remember. Every text file that I give you in this course uses this file. So remember that whenever you create a new LaTeX project and want to compile one of my files with it, you need to include utcsc. If you're interested, you can also explore this file to see the different commands that I used, but this isn't strictly necessary for you to do your assignments. Now, if you go to the course webpage and go to the old tutorials from last term, you can see that I provided not only the PDF, but also the text file used to generate that PDF. So go ahead and download this text file. I've already done so. And I'll upload it here. I also need to upload 236.cls. So in this tutorial file, the document class is kind of unusual. It's this 236 document class. This is a specialized document class that is the second file that you uploaded. So please remember that if you want to look at old tutorial files, you'll always need to upload the 236 class file. The other thing that I'll be providing you with is text files for all the problem sets in this course. The only caveat is that when you go to upload the text file, you'll also need assignment.cls because every assignment file that I have uses this special assignment document class. And that's about all I have for you in this video. If you're planning on working in groups for your assignments, then the share functionality should be pretty useful to you, although keep in mind that you shouldn't share your work publicly, because this exposes you to a risk of unintentional plagiarism. If you have any further questions, which you probably will, please don't hesitate to ask me or post a question on the forum. Thanks for watching and have a great day.